Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Coinstore. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, some of the best wallets you can use, and so much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Coinstore was founded in 2020 and is a popular crypto exchange that is partnered with leading international banks such as the Singapore Fintech Association, Polygon, and Nexus.io. This is a beginner-friendly platform that requires no minimum deposit to get started, and you can trade a wide selection of cryptocurrencies on the Coinstore exchange. Coinstore offers 24/7 market access and tight spreads on spot trading, derivatives, and futures. The Coinstore platform can be used for margin trading, and you can easily automate your trades with Coinstore's intuitive robot traders. By trading with Coinstore, you will have access to high-yield staking programs, VIP perks, and a launchpad with tokens from upcoming blockchain projects. B-Trade is Coinstore's proprietary trading platform, and it can be used for robot trading, margin trading, and derivatives. The B-Trade exchange has a sophisticated, user-friendly interface, and it comes with a variety of built-in tools that you can use to identify market trends and customize your charts. This exchange is beginner-friendly, however, it is also designed for more complex trading strategies, and you can easily manage your accounts and orders from the client portal. The B-Trade bots are designed for quantitative trading and can make the process of buying and selling cryptocurrencies much easier for all types of investors. Trading with bots frees up a lot of time, and not only can these bots potentially mitigate the risks of losing money, but they can also generate higher returns. The Coinstore exchange can be used to buy and sell dozens of trading pairs from some of the most popular blockchains in the world, and some of the most traded pairs are combinations of Bitcoin, Tether, Ethereum, and the Binance coin. Coinstore also offers margin trading, and if you are looking for ways to maximize your profit potential, you can leverage your trades by up to 100 times to get more exposure to the markets. However, we only recommend leveraged trading if you understand the risks involved. This exchange also provides a launchpad for upcoming projects to get exposure and to make their tokens available to the public. More than 10,000 people are using Coinstore's launchpad, and so far, the CNT and INVT tokens have launched successfully with the help of Coinstore, and you can buy these tokens directly from the Coinstore exchange. Another great way to maximize your investments is by staking the cryptocurrencies you are not using. With Coinstore, you can stake your Tether coins for up to 30 days and earn more than 10% fixed revenue back annually. The Coinstore staking program is suitable for beginners, and this is a safe way to put your cryptocurrencies to use when the markets are volatile and you don't want to buy or sell them. You can also join the Coinstore affiliate program to earn commission rebates of up to 60% on the transaction fees of every account that is registered and funded using your unique affiliate link. Coinstore affiliates have the potential to earn commission rebates through their referrals permanently and will receive exclusive access to VIP perks, mystery boxes, and airdrops. You can easily create an account with Coinstore in a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the Coinstore homepage and then click on the Register button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. If you were referred by a friend, be sure to enter the referral code in the designated field provided. Next, verify your email address and account, and submit any necessary documentation. There are 4 types of accounts that you can use after you have successfully registered your account. Coinstore offers a spot account, a future account, a future quant account for robot trading, and an earn account for staking. Once your Coinstore account is verified and approved, you can make your first deposit and start trading. Before you can buy or sell crypto on Coinstore, you will need to connect your digital wallet to your Coinstore account and choose a funding method. The easiest way to do this would be to use a MetaMask wallet, which you can use to deposit crypto directly into your Coinstore account, or you can use it to store the crypto you buy. MetaMask is currently one of the safest multi-asset crypto wallets in the world, and it is trusted by millions of users worldwide. The MetaMask software wallet can be used to conveniently buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies using the built-in exchange, and it allows you to connect directly to a variety of blockchain applications. To open a MetaMask wallet, head over to the official MetaMask website and create an account. If you already have a MetaMask wallet, simply link your unique wallet address to your Coinstore account. After you've created a wallet and linked it to your account, you can start buying and selling crypto on this exchange. Buying and selling crypto on the Coinstore exchange is easy, and all you need to do is register and verify your account, fund it, and open the exchange dashboard. Once you've opened the trading dashboard, you can switch between spot markets and futures, and all you need to do is choose a trading pair, set your parameters, and click on Buy or Sell to confirm your trade. Coinstore provides multilingual customer support that is available 24 hours a day. You can reach the customer support team directly by clicking on the Help button in the bottom right corner of the page. If you scroll all the way down, you will find other options under the support menu, and you can also submit a web ticket, provide feedback, or visit the help desk by using this menu. So what do we like about Coinstore? Since its launch in 2020, Coinstore has gained the trust of thousands of investors and crypto traders worldwide. This crypto exchange offers a great selection of popular cryptocurrencies with tight spreads on trading pairs and 24/7 access to the markets. If you are looking for a more personalized trading experience, Coinstore also offers VIP perks, automated trading, and margin trading. Coinstore is suitable for all styles of crypto trading, and no minimum deposit is required to start trading on this exchange. So if you are interested, be sure to open your Coinstore account today and claim your welcome bonus to get a head start on your trading career with one of the leading online exchanges in the industry. And that is our overview of Coinstore. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.